The ICY Box dual monitor mount is designed to support two monitors up to 32 inches, offering a robust solution for maximizing workspace efficiency. This monitor mount features a convenient assembly process thanks to its removable VESA adapter, which supports both 75 by 75 mm and 100 by 100 mm configurations. It provides flexible installation options, allowing users to either clamp it onto a tabletop or secure it through a table feed-through for optimal space management. With integrated cable management, the ICY Box mount ensures your workspace remains organized and free from clutter. Thanks to a spring-loaded mechanism, it offers ergonomic benefits by allowing easy adjustment of monitor positions, accommodating up to 8 kilograms per screen. The monitor arms are highly adjustable, offering up to 90 degrees of tilt and rotation and 180 degrees of stand rotation to suit individual viewing preferences.